Hi guys. Hi guys. So today I will be talking about homelessness and special education as my final project topic. And my name is Elizabeth Wilson. So, what is the challenge with homelessness in special education? Some of the main points that I found with this is a lot of teachers, one, don't know who to talk to about a child's needs, the teachers or the parents sometimes. Two, it's not knowing if a child's problem in school are from a disability, such as any learning disability, dyslexia, um, SLDs, so specific learning disabilities, or stress of being homeless. Another big challenge that I found with homelessness in special education is teachers not being sure how to help a child adjust to a new school after moving into a temporary living situation. Who does this issue impact? This issue impacts many families in the schooling system, especially when they have a child with special needs, because families with children who have children with disabilities are approximately 19 times more likely to incur expenses exceeding 5% of their family's income than their higher income counterparts. This, I think this point right here was pretty impactful for me in my research because I think that's something not often talked about is children with special needs and how their expenses can add up and how much it can actually be on a family. When and where has this issue taken place or occurred? Um, this was honestly kind of a hard question for me to answer with homelessness. And I just said homelessness is still an ongoing issue in special education. One statistic that I found from a school in Washington was in the 2017-2018 school year, a record high of 1.5 million students were homeless, 11% more than the previous year, and nearly double the number a decade ago, according to new federal data. Why is this challenge or issue significant? I said children experiencing homelessness lack the stability and support necessary to succeed academically. In addition to academic impacts, disruptions to a child's education threatens their social and emotional development. And finally, how will I advocate for a child with special needs? I said, as a future educator, I will be sure families who are low income and have children with disabilities know of the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act, more well known as IDEA, which offers so many free resources to help low income families with a child with disabilities. Just to close my thoughts, here are the sources that I used in my research, and thank you for listening.